For the next 2 weeks, we're going to be learning about the human ear. In this part, we're going to learn all about the different parts of the ear, from the outer ear to the middle ear to the inner ear. Let's see. Your ears are organs of hearing. All sounds are vibrations called sound waves. These enter your ears and stimulate receptors in them to send nerve impulses to your brain. The brain then interprets the impulses and identifies the sound. Your ears also help you to keep your balance and give you information about the angle of your body. Your ear is divided into 3 areas: the outer ear, which is the part you can see, and the middle and inner ear, which are the main working parts. So here is the outer ear, and then the middle ear is the canal up until the eardrum, and then from the eardrum inwards, that is your inner ear. The ear flap, or the pinna, funnels sound waves into the passage called the ear canal. The waves travel along this passage until they hit a thin layer of tissue called the eardrum, making it vibrate. So, we have the sound waves that get funneled in from the outside by this ear flap called the pinna. Then the sound goes into the ear and it hits the drum, the eardrum. The vibrations pass through tiny bones, the malleus, the incus, and the stapes, to the oval window. Here it says the stapes is attached to the oval window over there. Can you see? An oval hole covered by a thin membrane. The oval window vibrates and the vibration passes into a spiral shaped tube called the cochlea. It goes into here. Dun, dun, dun. It's like a roller coaster in there. The cochlea contains 3 chambers filled with fluid. The vibrations spread through the fluid and stimulate tiny hair cells. These special nerve cells attached to the membrane, called the organ of Corti, run inside the cochlea. So inside the cochlea there's tiny little hairs that catch the vibrations basically. The hair cells change the vibrations into nerve impulses, which travel along the auditory nerve to the brain. Your brain interprets the impulses as sounds so that you can hear. So basically, it starts off outside, goes into your ear through the canal, hits the drum, then the drum vibrates the sound through the tiny little bones, and then they go into your cochlea, where the hair inside your cochlea catches it up and translates it into nerve signals, where it travels to your brain. Well done. So let us review. Ears are organs of sound. The ears are divided into 3 areas: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The sound travels from the pinna through the ear canal, where it hits the eardrum. From there it travels through the 3 tiny bones in the cochlea, and the cochlea has tiny hairs in it that translates the sounds into nerve signals, and the nerve signals travel through the auditory nerve to the brain, and that is how we hear.